Did you know that sometimes the most terrifying predators watch their victims for months before they strike? In 1980, Dorothy Jane Scott was living every woman's nightmare. The single mother worked evening shifts at a health store in Anaheim, but someone was watching her every move. A stranger called her workplace repeatedly, describing exactly what she wore, where she went, and what she did each day. The calls were getting worse. On May 28th at 11 p.m., Dorothy drove two co-workers to the hospital for a spider bite emergency. When they came back to the dark parking garage, her white Toyota Corolla was gone. Witnesses saw the car speeding away with no headlights. Her co-workers heard tires screeching and a woman screaming. That same night, the mystery caller contacted Dorothy's mother with 3 chilling words: "I've got her." For 4 years, he kept calling, describing exactly how he killed Dorothy and where he had dumped her body. When her remains were found in 1984, every detail matched perfectly. The calls were recorded, but he was never caught. Who was he?